So these are called tamarind ponds. I want to use this to get tamarind water or juice, as you may want to call it. So the next step would be to put them in water. This water should boil for 10 minutes. So I'm putting it in water. This is lime, extracted from fresh lime, that I'm going to add to my tamarind juice. So this is the result after boiling for 10 minutes. So the next step would be to allow it to cool, finally, like really cool, before blending. So after boiling and leaving for a bit, this is the outcome. So it has cooled now. So what I'll then do now is proceed to blend. So after extracting and sieving it to remove every impurity. This is the tamarind water after extraction, and I've added my lime. Voila, the end.